So what do you do?
I am a finance guy. I tell people what stocks and high yield bonds to buy, and it's all very boring. What do you do?
I'm an actress and bartender. Mostly bartender.
Have I ever seen you in anything?
No. Not unless you like to watch zero to low budget indie films that never get made. You seem really great, Tim. I've got to admit, I wasn't expecting my first date since Matt to go this well.
Yeah, you're really great too. I haven't hit it off with anybody this well in I don't know how long.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Don't be. Random question. Can I ask what brought that on?
Okay, but I don't want you to judge me though.
Okay. No promises.
Your cough was just so sexy.
No, seriously though, what was it?
I am being serious.
My coughing just gave you a...
Yes, shit, okay? Every time I start going out with a girl and it starts going well, this happens and then she gets freaked out and ends it with me. Are you freaked out? I can go.
No, you don't have to go.
You haven't said anything in several minutes.
I really don't know what to say. Tim, I mean, you seem like a great guy and I really like you.
Then let's give this a shot then. I really like you too, Britt.
Oh, by the way, I have this great herbal tea that will work wonders for your cough.
I don't have a... Oh,
I heard you coughing a lot last night. Are you getting sick?
no.
Are you okay? Why are you being weird about this?
Nothing. Nothing.
Okay, weirdo.
Did you ever go out with a guy who had a fetish?
Ooh. Is this about that Tim guy? You slept with him. He had a fetish. Ooh. What was it? Oh. No. No. Are you playing with me right now?
No.
That is why you were coughing last night? Oh, God, I feel so disgusting for having borne witness to it.
It wasn't that bad.
Wasn't that bad? Britt, this is some next level sociopathic behavior.
He's not a sociopath. He's a really nice guy. So what if he has this thing? I can live with it.
Hey, it's your life. Do what you want. Did he say why?
No, just he finds it sexy.
Ew. Now I'm thinking about all the guys I've inadvertently turned on by coughing in public. So when are you seeing him again?
We're supposed to have dinner tomorrow night.
I'm sure that's not all you'll be having. Just do me a favor and forewarn me if he'll be coming back to our place so I can remove my eardrops.
So when you have a fever, chills, or cough, use Sickwill.
Oh, seriously? The cough syrup commercial turned you on?
No. Okay, maybe a little.
Tim, so like every time a woman coughs, this is gonna happen? Tim, this is just too much. I can't.
Fine. You know, I know this reaction from women all too well. I'll see myself out.
There are just no words.
Matt, this is really embarrassing.
You should be.
Stop it. I can't do this right now.
Bye. Love you.
Hey.
Hey. Come on in.
Britt, I think we have something incredible here, alright? And we all get turned on by things. I mean, do you mean to tell me that when you see an attractive guy walking down the street, you don't think about sleeping with him? I'll try to be more subtle about it, okay? But please, don't throw this away.
Let me ask you a question, Tim. I know we've only known each other a couple of weeks. You seem pretty normal other than... Is there anything else I should know about you?
No, that's the only thing, okay? And every girl I've ever tried to get close to has pushed me away because of it. I've tried going to therapy, tried watching other kinds of porn.
There's cough porn?
Oh yeah, but none of it worked. The point is, this is who I am, alright? And I really just want to get close to you.
I really want to get close to you, too.
Oh, hi, Tim.
Oh, hey Liv. Look, I really gotta go. But Britt, can we have dinner tomorrow?
Looking forward to it.
I'm sorry. I'm just imagining the two of you.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'll see myself out.
So sorry, Tim. This sinus infection hit me out of nowhere. I haven't felt this sick in ages. Oh god, I think I have a little bit of stomach bug too.
It's okay. I just want you to feel better.
Oh god, Tim, hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god, Tim, I'm so sorry. I didn't realize I still have the phone.
No, it's okay. It was actually pretty sexy.
What?
Morning, sunshine.
Morning.
Ooh, tender. So, I'm guessing you're over Tim.
Yeah, a little bit.
God knows what else he was into. You would have found out sooner or later. Oh, who's this guy? Scott?
Yeah, thinking about it.
You don't think about it. You just do it. There. You're welcome.